Here at Hephaestus, we are pleased to announce the Stoic TTX project funded by the Scottish Government. Stoic TTX is a cybersecurity tabletop exercise framework to exercise the strategic, tactical, and operational teams in your organization for various types of cybersecurity incidents. There are already a lot of cybersecurity tabletop exercise products out there. What makes Stoic TTX unique is that it is going to train facilitators and provide a framework to make it easy for facilitators to be able to run tabletop exercises quickly, easily, and efficiently in any organization. And what that means is that you don't have to be a cybersecurity expert or a cyber attack expert in order to be an effective facilitator, because the framework is organization focused, not attack focused. And that means you can train and raise facilitators within your organization so that you can be doing tabletop exercises as frequently as you need to without the facilitator being a barrier. We will also include a certification progress path, and this is meant to provide a path for your teams to know what they should be tackling next and to find the right level of testing for your organization, up to advanced testing where you can bring in cyber attack experts to really exercise your teams in novel, unique, and extremely complex attacks. The other thing that we are going to do with Stoic TTX is to do an open development approach, which means instead of developing it in secret and then releasing it, because it's funded by the Scottish Government, the resulting framework is going to be licensed under the Open Government License. So we are going to open up our development so that you can follow along, you can provide your own feedback, you can test out the alpha and the beta versions before they're released and know whether or not it's going to meet your needs and to provide your own insight into where development should go next. So I will endeavor to provide weekly updates through this YouTube channel so that you know what's happening, and we'll provide links to the development docs and where things are within the development process as often and updated as often as we can. In the description field below, there is a link to an explainer slide deck, which might provide you more information, and a link to learn more from the team as we move forward. So if you want to stay up to date with the progress and with where we are and when the next video comes out, hit the subscribe button and the little bell and you'll get that notification. This is an exciting project and there's lots to do, and we have a lot of experienced people providing a lot of their own personal experience into this framework. And I'm really excited to see where this is going to go and how it's going to help organizations grow and develop their own resilience capability.